This is
the Taste
of Zanzibar.
Let's dive into the culinary heart of Zanzibar, an island where flavors from across continents meet and create something truly special.
Amazing.
Located off the coast of East Africa, Zanzibar has long been a crossroad for trade and culture, attracting influences from Arabia, India, Persia, and beyond. This rich history is reflected beautifully in its cuisine. Where fresh seafood, exotic spices and tropical fruits come together to create vibrant, unforgettable dishes. Zanzibar is often called the Spice Island, and this for a good reason. Every meal here tells a story of cultural fusion and island life. Follow me on a culinary journey to this extraordinary island.
Fish, coconut.
fish,
Octopus, coconut.
coconut. You get it.
Everything, coconut.
Perfect.